I have the REI Ruckpack 40 and the Osprey Farpoint 40. I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison and show you the differences between these two very similar travel backpacks. Coming up. The REI Ruckpack 40 and the Osprey Farpoint are two very similar travel backpacks. A lot of people have a hard time deciding which bag to choose between these two because they have so many similar features. They both have 40-liter capacities, they have long zippers that run the length of the bag, as well as backpack straps that you can hide away behind a zippered compartment. The main difference between these two packs is the external organization. The outside straps, zippers, buckles, and pockets, as well as the laptop compartment, and they have two completely different packing styles. Looking at the material on these two packs, it's pretty similar. They both use a 200 denier ripstop nylon material on the front and the sides of the Osprey, and then the REI has it on the front right here. The Osprey pack uses this 600 denier pack cloth material on the bottom and then accents on the sides, which is a pretty durable, abrasion resistant material, where the Osprey uses a thinner nylon material down here that's not going to be as abrasion resistant as the material used in the Osprey. Both of these packs use durable locking YKK zippers. The Osprey pack uses the largest number 10 YKK locking zipper on its main compartment and a smaller locking zipper on its laptop compartment. The Ruckpack 40 uses a slightly smaller number 8 YKK locking zipper on its main compartment, as well as two non-locking zippers on the side compartments. Neither of these bags uses water-resistant zippers, and the untreated 210 denier nylon ripstop isn't waterproof. The REI Ruckpack gets around this by including a rain fly in a hidden compartment on the bottom of the bag. However, the Farpoint 40 doesn't come with a rain fly, so if you want this bag to be waterproof, you're going to have to purchase one separately. Both of these bags use compression straps to keep your bag smaller and to keep your stuff from moving around on the inside of the pack. The REI Ruckpack has two compression straps, one on either side of the bag, that cinch the bag down from the sides. These do a pretty good job to keep your items from moving around inside, but they create this crease point in the middle of the bag, and they don't do a great job with outside compression. The compression straps on the Farpoint run the length of the back of the bag and connect with these two fabric flaps on either side. They do a much better job with compression. They hold your bag really tight from the sides and from the top. However, the straps do tend to get in the way because they cover the zippers. You have to unbuckle them every time you want to open the bag. Both of these bags come with multiple carry options. They both have top and side carry handles, as well as stowaway backpack straps. However, the Osprey Farpoint is the only one of these two that comes with a removable shoulder strap. The side carry handles on the Osprey Farpoint are far more comfortable than the Ruckpack. They only have two handles, one on the side and one on the top, but they're made out of this really thick padded mesh foam, and they're really comfortable to carry. The side carry handles on the Ruckpack, they're pretty small, thin nylon straps on the side, and then the top strap is kind of what you'd see on a small school backpack. It's pretty small and it's not something that you're going to be able to use to carry the bag. And then combine that with the fact that the Ruckpack doesn't come with a shoulder strap, you have pretty limited carry options. Both of these backpacks have features that you would expect to find on more traditional backpacking backpacks. They both have curved foam backpack straps as well as adjustable padded hip straps. They both have breathable foam mesh backings as well as adjustable shoulder straps and an adjustable sternum strap. Both of these backpack straps can be stowed away with a fabric zippered flap that's stored in a hidden pocket on the bottom of the bag. I find the stowaway straps on the Osprey pack to be a little bit easier to use. The hidden pocket is a little bit easier to access, and the backpack straps fit easily inside the fabric flap. Whereas on the Ruckpack, the fabric flap is difficult to access in a tight Velcro pocket, and the backpack straps and hip belt are bulky, and they're hard to get inside of the fabric flap. Looking at the exterior organization, the Osprey Farpoint doesn't do a great job with exterior pockets. They only have two, one small pocket on the top here, and then they have a larger pocket, which is just one big pocket. It doesn't have any internal organization except for a big mesh pocket and the laptop sleeve. The REI Ruckpack does a much better job with their exterior organization. They have a large brain pocket on top, and then the sides of the pack have these long organizational pockets that run the length of the bag. The pocket on the right side has a lot of further interior organizational pockets and sleeves inside of it, whereas the one on the other side has just one zipper with a fabric separator. The only downfall is that this pocket can also access the inside of the bag. The packing style in these two bags is pretty different. The Osprey Farpoint has a zipper that runs most of the length of the bag, and it opens into a clamshell panel style backpack. You're going to pack this bag from the top, similar to a suitcase, and use the compression straps on the inside to keep your items in place. The REI Ruckpack is kind of a combination between a panel style loading backpack and a top loading backpack. It has a zipper that runs about 3/4 of the length of the bag, but because the top is open, you can't load it from the top like you can the Osprey Farpoint, because all of your items are just going to fall out. It also lacks interior organization and doesn't have any interior compression straps or pockets to keep your items secure. Neither of these bags has a very good laptop compartment. The REI Ruckpack has a hydration sleeve on the back of the bag that also does double duty as a laptop compartment. It's not very good because it doesn't have good access from the outside of the bag, and it lacks the padding of a proper laptop compartment. The Osprey Farpoint, on the other hand, has a pretty decent laptop compartment, except it's located in this exterior pocket on top of the bag. The laptop is much easier to access, but because it's located in this exterior pocket, if your bag is fully packed, it's going to put a lot of pressure on your laptop. The water bottle pockets on these two bags is also very different. The Ruckpack has these two large water bottle pockets on either side of the bag with this expandable mesh and adjustable strap, whereas the Osprey pack uses these two small expandable mesh pockets on the outside of the bag that don't really do a very good job on keeping your water bottle in place. I'll include a complete packing list on my blog of all the items I have here if you want to scroll down into the notes and have a look at that. For now, I have 2 packing cubes with all my clothes in there. I have socks and underwear and t-shirts in here. This other one I have pants, shorts, and a long sleeve shirt. I have a day pack, an electronics cube with chargers and travel adapter, a toiletry kit, pack towel, as well as my laptop, and a couple other miscellaneous items and travel documents. Packing the Osprey Farpoint is pretty straightforward. These 2 packing cubes will fit in the bottom of the bag, packed from the top, similar to a suitcase. Most of the rest of these smaller items I can also fit in the main compartment: toiletries, electronics, day pack, and pack towel. The laptop and the rest of these small items, sunglasses and travel documents, can pretty easily fit in these 2 external pockets. This is the Osprey 40 packed with all that gear I just had on the table. As you can see, it fits in there pretty well, even with a little room to spare. The Ruckpack 40 is a little trickier to pack because it has this open top right here. You can't just put all the items in from the top like you can on the Osprey. The strategy that I use to pack this bag is I put the packing cubes in first on the bottom of the bag, then I zip it halfway up, tilt the bag up, and put all these heavier items and smaller items on the top. After you pack the main compartment on the Ruckpack, all of the items that you want easier access to will pretty easily fit in this top brain pocket and then the long side pocket. Again, we've been looking at the REI Ruckpack 40 and the Osprey Farpoint 40-liter travel backpacks. If you have any questions or comments comparing these 2 bags, then please let me know in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.